ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way, only keep the fam around.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely Julia Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig in 26 inches, and it is a curly unit. I am living for the fullness of this hair right now. Like, it's not even all the way dried down. Like, the top is still a little bit wet and here is a little bit damp, but she is giving volume, okay? And in today's video, what I did go ahead and show you guys was how I did my quick and easy glueless install, as well as how I did these edges. So if you'd like to see, just keep on watching, and the links for this wig will be in the description box for you to purchase. So without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. Hi, I just want to talk in this one, and right now I'm just cutting off that excess lace so I can see. Today we are filling middle parts, so that is definitely what I will be doing. For middle parts though, this lace is really nice too, by the way. For middle parts, what I usually do, it doesn't matter if I'm wearing curly hair or straight hair, body wave hair, I like to either take hairspray or wax, just mold that bad boy down, especially like up here, and yeah. So I don't necessarily go in right away and part it in the middle. I just like to mold my hair, and I don't like to put that much on the perimeter because that's where I'll be doing baby hairs, and what we don't want is too much buildup of product in certain areas of the wig, especially the parts that are, you know, closer to the front. And you see how nice and flat that is? So I'm going to do it on the other side, and then I will do the middle part.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way, only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. Care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. This city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
So this is what I used to
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
You literally could walk out the house after melting your legs in with this and a little bit of hair. If you want it to last longer, you're definitely gonna want a
Fucking up the
longer
streets of the
hold.
brand new ride.
Longer bond adhesive spray. And all you gotta do is literally just spray it over your hairline. Use this band, tie it down. Use a blow dryer on warm air and rotate it from warm to hot until about 7 minutes and you should be good to go. So let's do that.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no game. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, get you my last name. I know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna, yeah. Play no games.
Alright babes, so I'm finally finished and this wig is from Julia Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous curly wig unit. It's actually in 26 inches, but it's up like a tighter curl, like a jerry curly. So it is 26 inches. When you pull it all the way down, it's 26. When you put it in the back, of course, boots would make it look shorter, but it's definitely 26 in back there. So this unit is actually really nice and full. It is their transparent lace frontal wig in a 13x4, of course, but this 4 inches is giving 5, and I'm living for that because I love a good deep middle part. Like, who doesn't love a bust down middle part, especially with some curly hair? That is always a vibe. And honestly, so far so good. I love working with this texture hair because products in it is cute, it dries down cute, the curl pattern is always it, like it just always gives, and then it is, like I said, really full. So I'm living for it and I'm having no real issues. Like, shedding is definitely at a minimum. I love working with Julia. Their hair is just very good quality and their wigs are just as good quality as the hair. So 10 out of 10. I've been working with them for years. They always eat. So if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.